Oh, hi guys, this is JJ the Hershey Chocolate Fan 2006 here, and today I'm doing another unboxing video. And yes, I am unboxing this camera that I just showed in my other video where I show my gifts of what I got for Christmas of this year. Yeah, anyway, you guys, so hopefully you guys like how this camera looks. And yep, I see a video about this, so I might gonna send you the link to the video down in the description below so you guys can watch the thing and stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I can get this thing unboxed. I'm sorry if I'm just doing this with one hand. It's just like okay, there you go. Gonna put the scissors back. So hold on. There you go. I just put the scissors back. And if you guys can see, I kind of like poke the thing a bit. But if you don't see it properly, just don't worry about it. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I get this open properly. I apologize if I'm just doing this with one hand at a time only, because I feel like I just accidentally whipped this, the box, but no worries. Anyways, I'm gonna kind of pause the video so I can get this tape out of here. Hold on, please. There you guys go. I kind of did that, so hold on. You see, guys, I had to like pause the recording so I could get the rest of this freaking stupid ass tape off. And don't worry if I accidentally unwrap the box paper thing. It's fine by me at this point. Like, seriously. And you know what? I'm gonna kind of take care of the rest of this stuff off camera for a sec, but hold on. There you guys go. I had to take care of the rest of this because this will get a pain in the ass if I had to like take care of this on camera. Anyways, I'm opening this right now while I was telling you guys this. So yeah. There you guys go. There you guys go. And I got these cord things for my camera, but and there's the remote thing, and it's upside down. There you go. And I apologize if I'm doing this with one hand because I don't have a freaking something to hold it, but there you go. See? This is the name of the camera that you guys just seen. And you know what? I'm definitely gonna like pause the video for a second because it's gonna get a pain in my ass trying to open this with one hand. So I'll be right back. And there you guys go. And I'm gonna carefully get this out because this is This thing may be like fragile or something, I don't know. And see, you guys, it's pretty cool, isn't it? And I'm definitely will find a way to get this out of the thing. And do not mind about the background sounds, but yeah. I wish I have a freaking like tripod or something that like hold the camera while I'm doing this, so this way it doesn't get a pain in my ass if I try doing this. But sorry about that, but you see, guys, it's pretty cool. Gotta take this silly little thing out. See, this is a nice ass camera that I got. See, I can even take this off to let the thing like do the whatever, you know. Anyways, I'll put this back on. You know what? Never mind on that part at this point. And yeah, what do you guys think about my camera? Hope you guys like it, you know. And you guys gonna have to hold on in a sec. Oh, hey guys, and I'm back. Sorry about that. I was kind of like in the middle of something, but yeah, you can see I already opened the thing, and one time I put my hand through this thing. You wanna see how it looks like? Well, and darn it, I should have a freaking like tripod to hold my phone while I'm recording this stuff. I'm gonna try not to damage this guy. I just got this stuff for Christmas. And voila. So yeah. And you know what, guys? I got one more thing to say before I end the video. So I did watch a video about this camera thing on YouTube. Am I gonna send you the link of the video down in the description or in the comment section? I don't know, but anyway, you guys, so that is it for the video for now. This is JJ, the Hershey Chocolate Fan 2006, signing off, over and out. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, and have a good rest of your time. Bye.